Hi, this is Bridget from Speech Therapy Talk membership. In this video, I'm going to go through how we can build in movement sensory breaks really easily for articulation therapy sessions with some popular games that you probably already have. So if you haven't seen the video of why I believe sensory breaks are really important, please look in the links below and I will put in what I'm talking about when I say sensory movement breaks. But if you've already watched that video, here are some games that you can use the setup of the games as part of your practice. So one of my favorite ones of all time, all my kids love it, is Kerplunk, but it is really annoying to set up and it takes a really long time. So what I like to do is when we set up the game, for every stick that we put in, that is the articulation practice. So if they're working on S blends or K, I might just say stick. If they're working on SH, we might say push stick in or something like that. But if they're working on, let's say, medial L, and that's not built into the game, I will bring up some no print flashcards on my screen. We'll say 1 word, 2 words, 10 words, whatever it is. Usually just 1 word because there's a lot of these sticks. I think there's 30 of them. So you can get 30 words really easily. They say the word, they put it in. This takes a little bit of time, but then when we play the game, we don't say any words. We just take our break, we play the game. It's a really quick game. It's just a couple minutes. And they have a lot of fun, and it's really motivating too that, like, okay, once I get all my words done and I get this set up, then I just get to relax and play. So that's my first one. Then the next one that I really like to do is Don't Break the Ice. So this one, again, is a really long setup and a really quick game. So what I like to do is to get each of the ice cubes, I have the child say a word, say a sound. Maybe they're saying, if they're working on S, we could say ice cube. If they're working on K, we could say cube. But we set up the game, and once the game's done, we play it. It's a really quick game. It's about a 1-minute break, but kids, again, really love it. Okay, so my last two is Yeti My Spaghetti. You probably have this one or have something like it, but again, to set up the game, to get the pieces to put the spaghetti on the bowl, we say our words, but then when we play the game, we just get to relax. The last one are these like building things. I got these for little kids, but honestly, my 3rd, 4th, 5th graders like to do it because it comes with this little drill that you get to drill. All the little screws for the dinosaurs. We put together a crazy dinosaur last time. But what I do is I take all the pieces out, and then for them to earn a piece of the body, a screw, everything. There's a lot of pieces in here. They have to say words to earn it, and then they get a few minutes just to put the whole thing together. It is actually kind of hard. It's just a therapy tip. It's kind of hard to put this together. So I would practice yourself, or maybe it was just me, so you can help them when they actually do make it. But I hope that helps. I hope that you can use some of those tips for really quick drill practice and then a nice sensory break to keep everyone motivated, to reset our energy levels, to reset our focus, our attention, and to kind of break up the practice. If you have any questions, please let me know. And please, if you could do me a huge favor, just subscribe below, like this video if you did, and leave me a comment. Thanks.